What's going on? So yeah, as y'all know, the bumper, I'm gonna have to get that grill for the bumper, but put the fog lights in. That's how I like probably, if they ain't lined up already, I'll line them up when I get that grill in and actually start, well, when I hook them up, put power to them and shit like that. But they in though, so yeah, wires took. That's just a ground right there. I gotta get some more loom over here in this corner right here. Let's see, right there. Yeah, but yeah. Oh yeah, man, I'm about to pull this thing back outside, man. This sun, man, let it cook a little more. I got some more stuff I gotta do, but you know, we just chilling. So let her sit outside, get her daylight. Yeah. Straight like that. Yeah, man, somebody messing with these fog lights, right? So I got one of them on. I don't know why the other one won't come on. I'll figure that shit out sooner or later. Let's see what that shit look like. Put all the lights on. It look pretty good to me, y'all. Good and bright. And these right here working off of a damn drill battery, so yeah. Once I figure out the other one, I might fade it back, but y'all get the gist though. Y'all get the picture. Y'all see what's going on. Fog lights in the bumper. Just that one ain't coming on for some reason. It might be the ground on the back of the housing. I'll check it out and see what's up. But yeah, there it is. 8,000K LEDs, headlights, and fog lights.